So hello everybody, and I am Slesha back here on my channel Junior Coder, and today I am going to tell you that how can you host your website for free, and what are the best platforms which you can use, the top 4 platforms which you can use to do this task. So the first platform is GitHub. So on GitHub you can add all your files in a repository, and then like for example I'm having some already made repos over here, so I can have it over here. I can add one file to it. I'll not create one, I'll upload it. So over here you can take any file, any HTML or CSS file, and then you need to go into the settings, and in the settings you need to go to pages, and here in pages you can select which directory do you want, from where you want to host the site, and then you can host it from here. So your page will get hosted. This was the first option. Second is you can use Vercel. For Vercel also, you will be requiring GitHub sooner or later, because on Vercel, when you will sign up, then you should add your GitHub account to it, so that you can import repositories from there, and you can take your files, and then you can give any name to your project, you can deploy it, and then you can host it using it. I have shared a separate tutorial for it, like if you are getting confused that how can you do that, so I have shared a separate tutorial for both of the things using GitHub and Vercel. So I'll be adding them in the I button, so you can check it over there. So these were the two options. The next option is Netlify. Here also the procedure is more or less same. Here what you need to do is you can log in, sign up, and then from here you can use GitHub or two three or more other platforms. You can add your files to it, and then you can deploy your page, and then you can host it. It is more or less similar to how we do it in Vercel, but if then also you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section below. And the last option which we have is using the Firebase. So here on Firebase, what you can do is from here you need to go to console. From console, uh, what you will here you will create any project. You can give any name. Over here I am giving demo, and then you can accept all the terms and all. Can accept it, and you can create the project. Now it might take some time, and then when you will create the project, there will be an option for deploy, using which you can deploy a page, you can host it, and you can make your site live. Over here in Firebase, the procedure for linking it with your files is pretty much different. You need they will provide you with a code, and which you need to copy it, and you need to add it in your files, so that you can host it. That's a much longer process, but you can, like over here, then you will select web, and from here you need to register it, then you need to add the Firebase SDK to it, and when you will check this checkbox, then they will provide you with the Firebase hosting also for this project. So that's how you can host your website. So these are the 4 top sites which you can use to host your page. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any doubts you can ask in the comment section below. And as you have seen this video till end, I would like to provide you with a bonus point. And the bonus point is that whenever you create your files, you must for especially for HTML files, you must name it as index.html most probably, because these sites look for this file whenever they host it. So that's all for today, and thanks a lot for watching.